Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free. There are multiple ways to communicate with users using financial statements. It is important to pick the correct statement in order to best communicate with the appropriate user. Listed below are some important financial statements along with their uses. The income statement is used to show how successfully the business performed during a period of time. It will also report its revenues and expenses. The retained earnings statement is used to indicate how much of previous income was distributed to the business and the other owners of the business in the form of dividends. It will also show how much was retained in the business to allow for future growth. The balance sheet is used to present a picture at a point in time of what the business owns, also known as assets, and what it owes, or liabilities. The statement of cash flows shows where the business obtained cash during a period of time and how the cash was used. The annual report contains many different financial statements in order to give a whole picture of the economic activities in the business. Usually, an annual report contains all four financial statements in order: the income statement, the retained earnings statement, the balance sheet, and the statement of cash flows. It's also important to note that some financial statements are dependent on one another. For example, the retained earnings statement depends on the results of the income statement. Amounts reported on the retained earnings statement are also carried over onto the returned earnings section of the balance sheet. Also, the statement of cash flows relates to information found on the balance sheet. We will discuss these statements in further detail in later lessons. For now, get comfortable with what the statements are and what they show. Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.